Malibu, lemon, orange, or ultraviolet.
Can we move here forever?
You are the cutest.
This is the dog for us, honestly. It even looks like me.
You are literally.
Cutest thing I've ever seen. Like my dog.
What's up, my boys? Welcome to a new video from Bali, Canggu.
So, suffice to say, we love being here at Bali because it is Bali, and we are back in our favorite villa here on Bali. We stayed here before. We're gonna do a house tour in a minute, but I want to share big news with you guys because these two puppies here, they just convinced me that we are gonna get
A
one
poodle.
in Portugal. We are gonna, yeah, you're gonna get a brother overseas, yeah. I can't concentrate when I have these.
No.
It's amazing. It's too cute.
I can't concentrate. Look at you guys.
This is the most best medicine for depression, anxiety, anything. This
Yeah.
works. I feel so happy.
So finally, the Bali vlogs has started, and it has taken some time for us to get through it because we had to relax. That's what you do on Bali. But now we are here staying at Lime Villas, which is a place we already been a couple of years ago before any of you guys subscribed to our channel. And Leah was a stray dog who was hidden by a scooter.
Hidden by a scooter.
Not hidden.
It was hidden by a scooter.
Hidden.
It was hit by a scooter.
Was it hit by a scooter?
Yeah. So today is gonna be just an induction day where we just settle in, you know, get comfortable, show a little of what we like to do here in Bali. We are not here on Bali alone. We have a familiar face for some of you, the oldest subscribers we have, because this is Travis, and we were with Travis 2 years ago.
Hi there guys, how you going?
How are you, Travis?
I'm good. We've just checked into Lime Villas, and I've stayed in a couple of villas since I've been in Bali, and by far this is the nicest. I'm going to start you off in my room, show you my room, have a look around. It has three different entrances, so it opens up, and so it's an indoor-outdoor living space. So basically you're walking in looking straight at the bath, which is pretty special. And then you've got the entranceway from the bathroom straight out into the luscious green area with a beautiful pool. Yeah, I love it.
And talking about the pool area, this is my favorite area of this villa because first of all, it's super lush. You have trees and bushes and palms everywhere, but you also have like a grass field, which like the lawn here is just amazing because it adds on to like a homey, cozy feeling. I don't feel like leaving this villa. Like usually when you are vacationing somewhere, you want to go and discover a bunch of stuff. But here, I really just want to lay here.
One thing that is unique to this villa here is that you get the sense of luxury, like on a high level, where many of the villas in Bali they look luxurious, but it's very simple.
One of the things that I really like about this is that they haven't really overdone it. It's just like super clean, slick, and lovely in here. Like instead of buying a lot of stuff, I feel like the owner, he just spent all the money in really good qualities and then got fewer elements. We were here last year and we slept in these beds, and you sleep like, not a baby because babies don't sleep, but you sleep like a very drunk Joen, which is really good. Bathrooms. I think I did the exact same thing last time we were here, but look at this bathtub. It's made out of stone. And then here you got my side of the bathroom, which will be my sink.
No, Amalie, you are with the toilet because you're full of shit.
No, I'm not, because I need the lighting, honey.
That was my side.
You have no,
That is my
you
side.
have no say in
That's
I am
true.
wearing the panties here. Panties. What do you say? Pants?
It might seem like it's sponsored, but it's not. We're paying to stay here, and we're paying around 230 a night. So that's a pretty good deal, and that's dollars. So yeah, let's get this day started, Amalie.
The dogs. Oh my god.
It's
Can't get over this.
I won't ever get it. Yeah.
You know how to turn it on? You have to pull the brake, Travis. Pull the brake when you turn it on.
Oh, okay. It was stuck. It was stuck.
Hey! We're on the scooter, and that is one of our favorite things to do here in Bali because you feel free, free falling.
Freedom!
We gotta take a stop here, man.
Yeah, we need to get sunscreen.
I got 70 miles to the gallon on this horse.
Okay, bye-bye. She literally had her daughter on the scooter who fell asleep while they were driving. How cute is that?
We are in Bluebirds City, which I like to call it because there are bluebirds, the taxi, everywhere, and it's like a techno symphony because they drive around and then honk, 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 honk.
We usually say that they honk of you even though you're wearing a helmet on a scooter. The blå traffic. That is so risky. Oh my god, Joen.
Well, one of the worst things about Bali is that the traffic here is so heavy that just getting 11 kilometers can easily take an hour, especially if you are in a car. How does it feel back on the scooter?
So good. I love it. I wish I had one in Lisbon. So one of the things that I love doing on Bali is actually just go looking at furnitures and even maybe shop some furnitures because they just do it very well.
But one of the issues about furniture in Bali is that if you want to export it from Bali, it's very expensive. Oh.
This is the bed we should have had, Joen. Oh my god, it's insane. Even the linen, look at the linen.
How much is it?
That one 650.
What's the good price?
That one 650.
That's too expensive.
Yeah, I find it too expensive.
That's way too expensive. That's actually not cheaper than where we usually buy it.
Is that the dog you wanted to get, Joen?
No,
You don't have to walk this dog.
I like this one.
This would be nice with a palm-in.
Yeah. Thank you very much.
Nice to meet
If
you.
you buy full container, don't worry about the price.
Bye. Where are we going?
Massage time.
So every time we come to Bali, we need to get a massage.
And we need to get a massage here.
So massages here are fairly expensive compared to if you just get a traditional Balinese massage in your home. They'll come out for like €5 for an hour.
But it's nothing like the massage that they provide here.
Yeah.
And that's why we pay that slightly bit extra and then we get like
Yeah.
deep tissue pounding massage. I'm just getting my nails done for today because this puppy's gonna work later. Yeah, me too. I just asked you why he didn't take that. But I am asking if you're gonna put a pea here. This is lemongrass.
Wow. It's like something you'll get in the mountains of China by an old doctor. Okay, thank you.
Hello.
What's up, princess?
I am getting treated very well here.
Was it good?
That's good.
So there was like two older men sitting and they were sitting next to me and they were from Norway, and they had no idea that I was from Denmark, right?
Yeah.
And one of them, he was like, "Oh God, look at that chick walking in here." And then I sit down, and the other guy was like, "Is she wearing a bra?" "No, she's not wearing a bra."
Yeah.
And I didn't say anything. I would just let them talk, because
Yeah,
I'm
yeah,
gonna
yeah, yeah.
embarrass the shit out of them when they walk out of here, right?
Yeah.
And then they were like, "Oh, I wonder if she's gonna get the chair massage." 5 seconds later, the lady asked me, "Do you want massage in the chair?" And I was like, "Oh yeah, definitely." And then the massage just go boom, 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 boom in my back, so my, you know. And one of them was like, "This is too good." And then they were like, "Yeah, I wouldn't mind, you know." And then the one on the right, he was like, "She's really hot and all, but look at her feet, they're like massive." And then when they took off, I was like, "By the way, guys, I understood everything you said. I'm from Denmark."
Yeah.
And they got like, they're like a shock. And the good thing was that the last part I said on English, and the first part I said on, so everybody could understood what I was saying to them in English. But it was really fun. I loved it. It was so much fun. Oh my God, you are so beautiful. Yes, you are. Oh my God, I can't stop touching this fur. It's so nice. No, I'm
We
staying
need
here.
dinner.
I'm staying here. I don't care about dinner.
Amalie!
Okay, I'm coming.
Amalie! When we get a dog, Amalie, she will do nothing other than just hanging out with the dog. Her productivity will go from pretty low to 0.
Hi, handsome. You want to be a part of that game?
Oh my goodness.
South Coast. When the sun hits the light frost, the air is cold, but your hands stay warm enough to calm me. And say the fire will come soon. And say the fire will come soon.
If we get a dog, what should we call it?
Are you gonna get a boy or a girl?
A boy?
Boy.
I like Oliver.
Oliver. I like Bear.
What about Canggu?
Canggu?
Canggu, that's
Canggu.
a cute one. Dinner time. I just become a millionaire here in Bali.
So we are on our way in the Bali taxi to bikini restaurant. Like getting transportation here in Bali is one of the easiest things in the world, because literally it seems like the half of the population here, they're taxi drivers. So you can get the Bluebirds, the taxis here, and just remember to ask, it's on the meter, because if it's not on the meter, sometimes they will overcharge you. But also you have apps like Uber and whatever, and they are the cheapest solution. But they're kind of frowned upon by the Balinese people, because Gojek, which is the alternative to Uber here, is owned by an international corporation, and many of the Gojek drivers are not Balinese. So there is this kind of war between the Bali taxis and the Gojeks.
You know,
Well, you park here. I'll go and get some change real quick. Hang on.
yeah, we don't have money. You look,
No,
where
he's
my
getting
wallet
change.
is.
He's getting change.
Yeah, okay.
You don't, but
Yeah, we have just have
Han har
this
sådan
one.
ud. Okay, okay.
altså han selvfølgelig har han noget i lommen, altså. He tries to cheat us with not having any change. Of course he has change. We give him 100. The price is 32,000. And that's why, you know, we are more inclined to take Gojek, because there you know the price before you go in. You pay it. He takes the quickest trip. Yeah. Cheers, guys.
Cheers.
To Bali.
So this place is like an Asian fusion place. So you get like a bunch of dishes. It's like a sharing concept here.
This restaurant is an example of what Bali is all about, at least for us, because there is a ton of restaurants here where they have this creative dining where they just experiment with food on a level that is kind of worthy of New York and Melbourne and some of the biggest cities in the world with the best cuisine. You don't have to eat the fine dining or the creative dining in Bali, but for us, it's what we appreciate the most, because if you just eat the local Bali food, you know, it gets
It's still good though.
nasi goreng gets nasi gorengi pretty fast, but that's just my opinion.
This is so good that I'm literally licking the plate, okay?
How was the dinner?
It started out really good, and then it became even better, then had a short rub, and then it just ended up insane. This dessert was like incredible.
9 out of 10.
This is one of those nights where you just get a sensational gastronomic experience. It's not every time you're lucky here in Bali. Sometimes you get disappointed, but generally it's just food out of this world. Oh my god. Speaking of oh my god, it's been a long day, and we're gonna finish it off here by saying chin chin, sul, atilego, see you in Bali, because we're still here.
Ciao ciao. Sambayumba.
Sambayumba.
Ciao. Cheers.